Hi everyone, so let's work out how to use Google Classroom to get our assignments and hand them back in. We've been having a few problems with that, so let's get that addressed. Okay, so I'm in a little test classroom here, and my alter ego has posted a new assignment. Now when we come in here, we can see any of the upcoming assignments. If your teachers have set a due date on this, it will appear here on the upcoming. Okay, alternatively, if there's no due date, you can always just check classwork, and you can see that there's a few things for me to do here. One called test assignment, I got bored, and then this one here is called aseptic technique. And it's due today at 11:59 p.m, so I'd better get cracking at that. So I'm going to click this, and I can see here it's assigned and it's ready to go. And my instructions are to download the PDF, to read the PDF, to download the Word document and fill it in, and to upload your answers. So let's view the assignment and see how we get on. Now, immediately when I view the assignment, I can see that, oh my goodness, the Word document has disappeared, but actually it hasn't. The teacher has set it up so that we should be able to edit this and put it in ourselves. Okay, so first thing to do is download the PDF. So if I click on the PDF, it'll come up in a little preview. I'm in Google Chrome here, I imagine most people are, and I can scroll through here, and that's wonderful. I can read it on the screen. Now I want to download this, but there isn't an option. There's an option to print, and then there's more options, and that's it. There's nothing else going on. But if I go to open in a new window and allow it to open, it will open here with the full suite of options, okay, one of which is download. So that open in a new window is really important. But hit the download button here. I'm going to try and download a copy of this PDF. So there it is there, aseptic techniques. So I'm going to pop this onto my desktop and have a little look at it. So I'm going to grab it from my bar here. We go to the very corner of my screen. That will show me my desktop. I'll pop it on here. And I already have a copy because I did a little practice. So we're going to do aseptic techniques here. Right. Now I should be able to open this as a regular PDF. Right. And now I can look through this, and I have it on my desktop. If you're on a mobile device, the same thing works. You should be able to get this as well. Right. So back we go. So we're still here again. Now we've got this open as a new tab. So I want to close that and go back to this bit here. Back into my class. Now, what I want to do with this, I need to download the Word document and fill it in. Okay, excellent. So let's click on this and see what happens. And again, I get a little preview. So I'm going to need to open that in a new window. There it is. And once again, I get the option to download. So hit the download button, wait a few seconds, and there it is. That's my own one. Okay, pop that on there. And there we go. Mr. Smith, growing bacteria and aseptic techniques. So let's get that opened up and see what the crack is. I'm going to enable editing so that I can write on it, and I'm in this kind of double view here because I've got my widescreen monitor on. But that's fine. I'm happy enough with it on that type of view. I can work with that. But if I want to zoom in a bit, I can go to View, Zoom. I've got 100% here. Maybe I want to go to, I don't know, 132%. There we go. That puts it on one screen for me. All right. So why do scientists use, what do scientists use to grow bacteria on? I'm pretty sure that's agar. Why do scientists use this to grow bacteria? Well, I haven't read the PDF because I've been a very naughty student, so I'm going to write because it's yellow. I don't know. Anyway, once we get through that, we'll go to File and we're going to save that. And it's on my desktop now. I'm going to close that up. And here we go. Just check that's definitely saved. Yeah, I've got my answers in there. Good job. Good job. So, Mr. Smith, growing bacteria and aseptic techniques is sorted out. Let's get back to handing this in. So close that window again, because remember it was open as a new window. So close that up. Aseptic technique, we back arrow here, get rid of that. Right. So I want to turn this in. So I'm going to add or create in here, and I probably want to put a file. Select, drag your files here, or I can go to upload, I can go to find. The easiest thing to do is to click again in the bottom corner to show your desktop. Okay. There's my desktop there. There's the file I want. I'm going to drag that down into my taskbar, open aseptic techniques up. If I just hold out over it, and I can just drag it in there. Okay, I'm going to hit upload. Boom. All right, nice one. Okay, so that's my new one. I can get rid of that old one. All right, that's grand. And I'm going to turn that in. One attachment will be submitted. Smith, growing bacteria and aseptic techniques. Turn in. Okay. You don't have to delete that one, by the way. Your teacher's not going to mind if you hand to him. Okay, that's got the option to unsubmit because when I made this, I allowed you to have multiple turns at this. But that's you. You're done. C. So the teacher week, when I come back in now into my testing, I have my little code and so forth. If I go to classwork and then I go to handed in, I can see that one person's handed in, there's no more assigned, so everybody's handed in here. So I click on the handed in button. Okay, so I click that. What I'll see is Mr. Smith there's handed in. Good job, that man. Always can be depended on. And there's his assignment here. It's his. It's got a little thumbnail showing that it's attached. So if I click that, what I'll see is his work comes up, and there it is. What does scientists use to grow bacteria on? Oh, that's agar. So I get 1 point for that. Well done. Okay, because it's yellow, I can't give that a point. And oh dear, he hasn't actually filled in the rest of this. So all I can give him is 1 mark on this. So you need to read the whole PDF and stop making videos. I think would be reasonable kind of comment to make on this piece of work. We'll post that to Mark Smith here, sort him out, and then I'm going to return that mark to him. A student will be notified and can check any marks you've left. We'll return that, and that's how we do it at our end. Okay, some of you will be getting auto feedback. I'll do a little video soon on that as to how that works, but that's how we're doing it on this one. All right, folks, I'll chat to you soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.